Guys, good morning or good evening. It depends on what time of are you watching this video. So it's a pleasure to me. Is making this video for you. So let's start it. The first step the user will have to do is provide the Gmail he has in the platform and provide the password. He will get in the platform, then he will log in. Right now I have the WhatsApp connected. It's a Brazilian platform from Mira and the Gmail. So when the user accesses the Gmail channel, you notice that he is not connected. So you will click on connect now. We'll click on Gmail in the channels. It's Portuguese, but in English is the the root channels. The user will click on connect. And then, guys, the user is right now on the Gmail screen. This screen is not it's not come not from our system, our platform. So this is the Gmail screen. The Gmail are asking the Gmail from the user, and the user will provide the Gmail he would like to use. This screen, this will screen because the Gmail you guys didn't verify our platform, so he will appear. For instance, so in the future, when you guys verify our platform, this will not appear. So I will have to click here and access the executive assistant. Right here, we can see the three services that the platform I created is asking the user, is telling the users that the platform will do. So we can see these three services is see Gmail configurations, send Gmails in my name, send Gmail in my name, and and read. I will translate right now. Just a second. This is the three things that my project will enable to user to do inside the platform. So when we can when we access this the Google Cloud, we can see that what I am asking for you is the Gmail send, the possibility to user send Gmails in your name, and read Gmail, read only. Only two things. So the user will have to read Gmails, of course the Gmail he already connected inside the platform, and send Gmail for these people, like a conversation, a normal conversation. Only send Gmail and receive Gmail. Read Gmail. If I put the wrong endpoint here, you guys please have to tell me because I don't know exactly what kind of endpoint I have to use in the platform. But I guess as I read in the documentations you provided for developers, I guess, in my opinion, this endpoint to Gmail read only, I will have to see my messages and configurations, the Gmail I provided, and send messages in my Gmail to another person, to another Gmail. So this is the two things, only things that I have you guys accept. You guys tell me if I'm doing something wrong, if I'm asking the wrong endpoint. I have to know because right now I don't know exactly. I guess, in my opinion, it is the correct endpoint as to send and as to receive Gmail. So here in the OAuth screen, right here, the user will accept this kind of services. As you guys can see, view your email message, search your email message, view your settings. In my system, the user will not see the settings, will not need that. But the endpoint are enabled this, so I can control right way. So the most important things that my platform will need is view your email messages. So when I see the email messages that the Gmail with the Gmail I provided, I could send messages to this Gmail so too. So I can read, write, and send emails from your Gmail account. So this is the two things that my platform will have to do with that Gmail provided. So I can click on complete. The user will see this screen provided for Gmail, for Google, and he will click on continuous, and then he will be redirected to our platform. If the user check on the channel route, and click on Gmail, the Gmail he actually are using to connect to the Gmail APIs is here with the status ativo, no caso em português means the in Portuguese are we can see the status ativo, but in English that means the user are using this Gmail to connect on our platform. And as he actually saw that on the OAuth connection, he can now use the Gmail to send message and read messages in the checkbox. And you can ask me where the user will see this message and send messages to other person. Here in this route. In Portuguese is atendimento, but in English is chat. Like in this route, the user can talk with who the user wants. So right here, he can use the WhatsApp connected with the Mira. The Mira actually provide us this connection, so he can use his WhatsApp here inside the platform. And when he click here, he will access the Gmail. But right now I didn't receive any Gmails in my platform. But if I provide some Gmail here for someone, I guess I will make some tests here. I can do this here, providing this Gmail here. Click on synchronize. Right now, appear a conversation in Gmail. So the user can send some Gmail for this Gmail provided for some contacts here, like I actually do. And then okay, click on the chat with Gmail and send some message for him. As you can see, I sent this message for this Gmail. So if this Gmail as respond me, of course, the message he sent for me will appear here in the chat, working like a really chat. You guys know.